Okay, we're back down at Isenhouer Brothers Racing. We did the shielding for the panel. We're going to cap it off by putting some Heatshield Armor over the header, into the collector, down to the exhaust, and then another one for the muffler. Again, it's all to keep Chris and his brother Nick comfortable in the truck while they're racing in the desert for up to 12 hours.
That's it. So what we want to do is we're going to cover up the header, we're going to cover up the collector and the pipe like he said, and mainly it's just to keep all the heat out of the interior of the truck. The way we did this exhaust, or Rich at RPM Muffler did this exhaust, it's all 8-in-1, so it is going to create a lot of heat. And then we also have all the electronic panel and everything that goes right above the 8-in-1 collector that we want to try and protect as much as possible. So we're going to wrap everything in the heat shield. And
yeah, so the armor is the call for this because it'll take up to 1800 degrees constant. I mean, different than your traditional wrap, like exhaust wrap or lava wrap. You normally get about 1200 degrees out of that, but with this product, again, it'll take 1800 degrees constant, so it's really going to knock down the heat upwards to 70%, so it's going to be great. Alright, so we're at the table. We're going to put the Heatshield Armor on the T2 truck with the Isenhouer Brothers. Chris and I are going to throw it on. All you need is straight edge, razor blade, measuring tape for the heads. We made kind of a quick template. On the other stuff, we just grabbed measurements, so we're going to do that. So on here, you can see I trimmed back about a ½ an inch or so of the material. And we're going to fold the edge over on itself. That's just going to create a barrier for any oil, fuel, so it can't get into the pad and become flammable. So this is definitely a must-do. It's all in the instructions, but that's the way to do it.
Guys, don't you know when you cut this stuff, you're supposed to be wearing personal protective equipment, safety glasses, respirators, latex gloves? I know you guys are a bunch of cowboys over there cutting stuff, but you gotta do it safe.
We shielded the panel on the T2. Now we're going to move on to the exhaust.
yeah, so the exhaust in this truck, it runs down the center, so we really want to cover as much as we can with the Heatshield Armor. It's going to create a lot of heat inside the cab, so with this stuff, it's going to reduce that by what, 70% or so?
Yeah, up to 70%.
Up to 70%, yeah. So we got our pieces made here. It goes around the collector and the exhaust pipe and the muffler. And we have an electrical panel that sits right on top of this, so with this Heatshield Armor, it's really going to cut down on a potential issue that we might have with heat radiating through the panel.
And this is absolutely the best stuff to work with. You cut the template, cut the pieces, you're going to set it right on there, and then it's just held together with stainless steel ties. So this is the way to do it.
If you find any of this information useful in this video, make sure you check out the Heatshield Products YouTube channel. They got tons of videos, tons of information on how to install, how to use, where it's best used in your vehicle, whether it be your street car, race car, play car, or even your work equipment. But definitely like, share, comment with friends, send it to your aunt, sister, cousin, uncle. Spread the word. We're super excited to have Heatshield Products on board for the year.
Right on. And don't forget to check out our podcast.